Hey guys, you might have heard that Chinese is difficult or even infuriating sometimes. We might like to change a little bit what you've heard. And so today, if you give me this much of your time, I'll teach you how to read a sentence completely in Chinese. You don't even need to know any Chinese previously or even know how to use chopsticks. This video will work for anyone. Okay, we're starting now. First thing you need to know is that Chinese has different sound parts. These will help you understand how things are pronounced in Chinese. So the sentence you'll be reading is this one. Mama, ma, mama. This one actually means, is mom scolding the horse?
Oh, you asshole! How could you? Helvete jävla skit! Nej, nu får du ge dig! Stå inte där och skratta, din jävla skitkorv!
My mom likes to contribute to our videos. Yes, I know, this is a very common sentence, so let's all learn it then. So all of the characters in this sentence will have the same sound part. It's this one right here. The character means horse on its own, but the thing that matters the most here is the sound for it, which is ma, 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 ma. So inside all the other characters now you'll find this horse character, and so they're actually all pronounced ma just because of that little one. One way of distinguishing these characters that all sound alike is by tones, which won't be covered in this speed lesson today. Great, so you can actually pronounce this entire sentence now, but I also want to go through it with you so that you understand how to read it and write it as well. Let's start with the first two characters, these two. Mama. This means mom actually. The left part of the character is supposed to be a picture of a woman. It's supposed to make you think of a woman here. That's actually our second clue, which gives us the meaning, or the idea part that we can call it in characters as well. So we have sound parts, and now we also have idea parts that will give us the meaning of characters. And they're hidden clues inside these characters. So let's move on now. The other part in the character you already know, that is the horse, and that gives us the sound. Great, great, great. So let's move on now. First we have mama, and then we also have this one, ma. The bottom part is the horse, so that gives us the sound, as in ma. And the top part is just two mouths, and that is, those two are the idea parts. The idea is that two mouths here shows us that they don't really agree with each other, so they end up scolding each other. So this character, ma, means to scold actually. The next character now is actually the character for horse. It just looks like that. It's pronounced like horse, like we know it already, and it just means a horse because there's nothing more to it. I think this character even looks like a horse. Wonderful. So far now we have mom scolds horse, or mom is scolding the horse. A wonderful sentence, and we could also stop here, but let's add one very interesting twist at the end here. Next up, and also the last character in our sentence is also pronounced as ma, as you can see it from the horse part here. But then we also have the mouth on the left. And mouths are often used as idea parts to show you we're using our mouths when we're doing something. So for instance, drinking, or eating, or singing, la 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 la. Or simply asking a question, because these are all things that you do with your mouth. So yeah, I think you get it. Anything that requires a mouth, basically, or how a character looks like this as well. So now asking a question in Chinese is super simple. You just add ma at the end, and that is it. So we can say, for instance, my mom loves me. Ma. So the sentence so far is mama, ma, ma, as in mom scolds the horse. And now we just have to add a ma at the end to make it into a question, as in, does mom scold the horse, or actually is mom scolding the horse instead? I know, very common. Wonderful, you're actually done. Let's listen to it as a reward.
Mama, ma, ma, ma. Mama, ma, ma, ma. Mama, ma, 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 ma.
That's the whole sentence. Have it in front of you and just marvel at it. And if you can, marvel at yourself. You've learned to read a sentence completely in Chinese now already, but you've also learned a lot of important fundamentals in Chinese that will help you further on as well. You've learned how characters are pronounced and why so. You've also learned what they mean and why so, and a lot of other important things as well. We went through some really important things in this video, but we've also missed out on things like tones and a lot of other intriguing words. If you feel sad that you didn't get to hear any of these now, you can also just subscribe to our channel and go and look at all the other beautiful little videos. Remember to subscribe first though, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.
Nej, nu får du ge dig! Stå inte där och skratta, din jävla skitkorv!
English and Swedish, it's wonderful.
International.
So international. There we go, the horse is broken. The broken horse and the angry mom. Tack så mycket.